You have probably heard about ChatGPT by now, but did you know that it has way more features than just chatting? Today, I'm going to show you one of these features, namely creating a custom GPT based on your own data. I am going to create a math tutor that can help kids from any age group. After releasing this video, math tutoring won't only be for rich kids anymore. Before you start, you must have a ChatGPT account. I am not affiliated with ChatGPT in any way, but it's just too good. Next, you have to go to Explore GPTs. This will take you to an overview of several different custom GPTs created by other people. There are big companies like Canva and Wix creating these, to individuals, and even OpenAI themselves creates these. What makes these GPTs different from the normal ChatGPT interface is that they can perform certain actions the creator has set up and behave in a predefined way. To show you how it works, I will create our custom math tutor. To get started, I click on the Create button. Next, I will specify what kind of GPT I want to build. It immediately suggests a name for the GPT, but I am not satisfied with what it came up with, so I will suggest a new name myself. Very nice. ChatGPT draws a character for my custom GPT, but I actually want it to be 3D. Let's specify that. Much better. ChatGPT asks me for the personality and behavior. I think it should be concise but elaborate when needed and gauge the user's skill level. We set up our custom GPT, and it should operate as is. Let's test it without giving it any extra information. Looks great, but I want to upload some more information. We can do this by going to the Configure tab and scrolling to the Upload section. I will upload a math school book so it can tutor me based on the questions in there. I will go to PDF Drive, a library with all kinds of books which you can download for free. I searched for a random maths book and uploaded it into my custom GPT. Cool. Now our file is uploaded. Let's check if we can ask our custom math tutor some questions from the book. First, I start with a simple question. I ask it about this question about an orchestra, calculating the total amount of people. As you can see, it breaks down the question into steps, which is really what you want from a math tutor. Another really cool thing we can do now is ask it to make similar questions. Let's see what it comes up with. It generates them perfectly. I now want to practice multiple choice questions. Amazing, our custom GPT works great so far. Next, I asked it how to calculate 12% of 64. Another question from the book we uploaded previously. As you can see, it gives an explanation and doesn't just tell you the answer straight away. I want a more detailed explanation of how to calculate it and break it down for me. Look at that. A perfect explanation which could teach kids how to calculate for them seemingly complex equation. From now on, everyone can have access to a math tutor. I will generate a few more practice questions from our custom math tutor. This time, I will ask it to make an extra example for high school students. That's right. You can ask it to make practice questions based on your own skill level. You can upload your own school books, previous work, assignments, practice exams, you name it. Let's look at the custom actions too. Custom actions can be used for live data. It can call upon an external source, for example, travel data or weather data. It's not relevant for our math tutor, but I still wanted to show you. It's generally for more advanced users, but if you want, ChatGPT can help you set it up. Check it generating code for connecting it with Stripe, for example. It even has several different authentication methods you can use based on the source you want to call, meaning you can call from sources that are behind a login. Of course, this video was just one example. The amount of things you can do with this are only limited to your own imagination. What kind of custom GPT will you build? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It's free.